Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you a drumstick leaf fry with Toordal, healthy and delicious recipe. Do you know the drumstick leaves, also known as Moringa leaves, are a rich source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They are known for their medicinal properties and are often used in traditional Indian medicines. This is very good for hair growth. These leaves are also known as good source of protein, fiber and other essential nutrients. In combination with Toordal, also known as yellow split gram, is a type of lentil that commonly used in Indian cuisines. It's a good source of protein, fiber and other essential nutrients like iron, potassium and phosphorus. So come, let's dive into the cooking process, how to prepare this healthy recipe. First, wash the moringa leaves or drumstick leaves in water. Here I am taking 100 grams of Toordal. I have mixed yellow split gram and Mysore Toordal. Take a water and wash it around 2 to 3 times nicely. Now take a kadai and add around 300 ml of water into it. Add the washed Toordal. Let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Don't overcook, let it be 70% cooked. Consume the moringa leaves or drumstick leaves along with Toordal can provide numerous health benefits including immunity boosting, reducing inflammation, improving digestion, supporting eye health and also reducing stress and anxiety. Now add the washed moringa leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Don't pour any water, whatever it is there in the Toordal, that is enough to cook this moringa leaves. After 5 minutes, mix it well nicely. And this moringa leaves or drumstick leaves improves the blood in the body. Now it's time to spice it up. Take a kadai and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the spices, let it splutter. Now add 2 to 3 red chilies, dried red chilies, and add 2 to 3 crushed garlic into it. Saute for 1 minute. Now add the cooked moringa and Toordal recipe into it. Mix it well nicely. Once it combines together, switch off the flame and serve hot. And that's it for today's recipe. Drumstick leaves fry with Toordal is a delicious and healthy dish that's perfect for any meal. Try it out and let me know how it turns to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipe videos and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.